Well, the Trump administration is cutting $11 billion in funding from health departments across the U.S. The Health and Human Services Secretary says it's all part of a plan to restructure the HHS.
We're going to eliminate an entire alphabet soup of departments and agencies while preserving their core functions by merging them into a new organization called the Administration for a Healthy America, or AHA.
Well, thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Derek Dice.
And I'm Kirsten O'Connor. While Secretary Kennedy sets up this new agency, organizations and programs that rely on this funding are left in limbo. Derek Strom explains the confusion this is causing for local organizations.
That is about as good for the public health as a cough in your face.
Washington is losing around $160 million in federal funding. $130 million of that will be in canceled grants that were supposed to go to the State Department of Health. Thousands of federal jobs are being cut from the CDC, the FDA, and others. Senator Patty Murray says the Trump administration's plan to make HHS more efficient could result in cutting critical health programs and research.
Pushing out 20,000 workers at a preeminent health agency, choking off funding for cancer research, and eliminating funding that prevents infectious diseases like measles will not make Americans healthier.
Senator Murray's not sure how these cuts and canceled grants will affect organizations here locally yet, but she's worried about how it will affect regional health districts and organizations that track diseases across our state.
I am here to tell people in this country that I'm angry. And I'm watching an administration come in and change the course in life and health and well-being of people in my communities, and I'm fighting back.
Research institutions like Washington State say it's unclear if any of the grants it's expecting from HHS will be canceled. The university says it's had many notifications of pauses or stop work orders for federal grants in recent weeks. Providence is also set to receive $2 million in federal grant funding this year, but it's unsure if the cuts will affect that. Providence sent a statement that reads in part, quote, "As we do whenever funding changes to federally supported public health programs are proposed, Providence is carefully evaluating HHS's announcement to understand what it might mean for our patients, caregivers, physicians, and communities." Other organizations like the Native Project are among the organizations expecting federal grants from HHS. In Spokane, Derek Strom, 4 News Now.